Here's a list of activities that the Painted Turtle has. It has archery, arts and crafts, equestrian, gym and rock climbing wall, ropes courses, workshop, aquatics, boating, fishing, music and performance of arts, team building, incentives, opportunities. Families are welcome to the program as well. There's a 10 family weekend programs for children affected by illness, as well as their parents, siblings, and other families' caregivers. This program has benefits for the parents in receiving an education session so that it can be helpful for those who need more resources, also for parents to have an opportunity for these busy parents to unwind. At the location, there is always something exciting happening, whether it's an event or a new program.